Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem on Facebook: unblocking someone. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our helpful guides and tutorials. Now, let's begin. First, you go to your Facebook. Go to the top right corner of your Facebook page. You will find a small down arrow. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. In the left menu, scroll down and look for the blocking option. Click on it, and you'll see a list of people you've blocked. Now, scroll through the list to find the person you want to unblock. You can use the search bar to do it faster. Once you find that person, you'll see an option next to their name that says Unblock. Click on it. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Remember, unblocking someone will allow them to see your posts, message you, and add you back as a friend. If you are okay with it, click Confirm. If you have any other topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and happy Facebooking. Thanks for watching, everyone.